Why does your scanner show the P0900 engine code? What does it mean? P0900 is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch A, Actuator Control Circuit or Open. This error code indicates powertrain code common in vehicles equipped with an automated manual transmission, dual clutch transmission, or certain electronic manual clutches. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed clutch actuator motor. Melted or broken wiring. Blown high amperage fuse. Corroded connectors. Faulty transmission control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Hyundai, and Kia. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.